Are dated Nortel phone systems putting your agency's mission at risk? Are they telling you to throw them out, to start over? There is another way. Migrate your system with Ribbon's JITC certified session controller. With Ribbon's acquisition of the Nortel Carrier Division, we have the plan, the people, and the products to secure the future of your Nortel PBX. And we have invested millions to ensure you have an elegant upgrade path. The Ribbon Session Controller supports legacy analog phones, SIP and AS-SIP devices, and unified communications clients. No more proprietary phones. It's also massively scalable and fully virtualized. You won't need to retrain administrators or end users either. Seamlessly migrate your Nortel systems to the latest VoIP services, deployed on-premise or in a private cloud. Our Nortel experts can also preserve your existing equipment with cost-effective hardware and software maintenance plans. Don't get left behind. Liberate your communications. The reinforcements are here.